Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic V3, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, and it looks something similar to this, though not as fancy. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, extend on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located... Good question. Where is it located? Oh, there we go. I can barely see it. Holy crap. It's right here. So, pushing the tool in, you can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to pull it out. Now, on the tray, we have space for 2 SIM cards. Now, I will be using only one, and you can place your SIM card on either tray or both, depending on how many cards you use, and then insert it back into the device. There we go. Once you do so, your SIM card should start working. There we go, right away. So I'm going to confirm my PIN right now, and that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.